Hey, what's up? Just trying to set up this new backpack. I got something new in the mail. You want to help me unbox it? Let's go check it out. Okay, we're at my desk now, and before we begin, I just wanted to say I'm very interested in getting my videography and skills any which way that much better, and I think that this is something that was inevitably going to be something that I buy, and I just found that with a little bit of research I felt comfortable with buying this specific product. Without further ado, let me show you what it is. This is the DJI RS4, which is basically a gimbal for the camera that you're watching me on currently, my Canon R8. I realized that I needed a solution like this because my hands are very shaky, and I'm sure that there are other people that feel the same way, and that's why this product exists. But I truly feel that in order for me to take a video that looks really nice, I'm going to have to compensate for the shakiness, and this is where the gimbal comes in. So let's go ahead and start the unboxing, and we'll take a look at it, and then at the very end we're going to take a look at a little bit of footage without the gimbal and then with the gimbal, just to compare to see what they look like. Okay, welcome to my desk again. We'll go ahead and start off with unboxing this. So there was a couple of pieces of tape right there that I removed. That was the only thing I've done so far. Let's see. USB to USB-C, USB-C to USB-C, some hardware, more hardware, okay. Tripod, battery grip, whoops. Wow, very nice. Feels very solid. There's definitely a lot to learn on this, I'm sure. So how this goes, I'm not entirely sure, but I'm going to assume, because these contact points meet up, that you would put this here. Oh, that's not it. Or maybe that's it. There we go. Nice. Okay, and then there's a separate handle. This goes, sure, somewhere. I don't even know. I don't know. I'm very, very ignorant as of this point with this product. So, okay. So really, that's all of it. I mean, this is definitely something I don't know how to use right now, so everything is a learning curve, but I'm just really excited to do something like this where I get to try new things and test out new products, and honestly it's really just a joy to me because this is the kind of stuff I really like to do. So you know, we're going to take a further look at this once I get a better idea of how this actually works, and then I'll show you some footage just to compare how it looks with the gimbal and without the gimbal. Again, this is the DJI RS4. This is a gimbal for the camera I'm going to be using, or that I'm using currently, so I can get a little bit more steady filming with my shot. You know, pretty intricate device. It was not cheap, I will say that. And I'm just really excited to see what's possible with this. I mean, I don't really even know what to do with this as of this moment, because I think I do have to charge it and, you know, do some other things before it'll actually let me stabilize the camera. It looks pretty simple as far as this goes. You put your camera here and it will stabilize it in a couple of different ways, so it makes sure that you get a steady shot. And essentially you have controls down here: the focus, zoom, there's a button which I'm sure you can start filming with. There's tons of locks into place here, so I'm sure if you don't want this thing to be going all over the place like that, you can hit the lock button in one specific position. Like for an example, this one's in lock, right, and it doesn't move when I lock that. Well, I want to get this thing charged up and see if I can get some cool footage. I'll maybe go up and down the stairs. I think that would be a really good test, just to see the comparison between this and how much this really helps. Hey guys, the camera right now has the 28mm lens and it's on the DJI RS4 gimbal right now. I'm going to go up and down the stairs with the gimbal so you can see how it well stabilizes, and then I'm going to do it without the stabilization so you can see that. Okay, so here is Nacho showing us the beautiful stairs here in the house. I'm going to go up. Oh, Nuna? Hi. What are you doing up there?
Hi, Your Majesty. Hi.
Okay, I'm gonna go up these stairs just so you can kind of see how it looks. And I'm just walking normally. I'm not doing anything special. Okay.
And the back stairs.
Yep.
Yep, and we're gonna show you our rooms in a second. Yes!
See you. I'm just walking up and down the stairs like normal.
Here is Nacho. Here's Nacho, then no butts.
Let's go back down.
David.
Okay. So you can definitely see that there's a difference with it. Whenever I start looking into making a lot more videos and stuff like that with the movement, you're going to see a lot of difference. So if you have any questions or if you have any comments for me, let me know. But I'll catch you later. Oh, I would also like to recommend, if you would like me to give any specific content out, so just let me know. Bye.